What's the drive shaft at, Bobby?
I'm sure of that.
Damn, man, I forgot enough braces on these days.
Oh, no, it's busy.
Oh, God.
It's busy, it's busy. He wanted it stiff. He wanted it stiff.
Well, I remember Willie. I was at Willie's when, what's his name? One of the pro stock guys came down there. And that motherfucker got up on the car and was bouncing it. So Willie, it was too loose. And he said, "No, it's stiff enough." And Willie said, "Okay, I'll make it stiff." So that's what he's doing now.
Yeah, he said the car, he wants the car as stiff as it can be. It's all we're talking about, you know, and I said, you know, car cars are flexible.
They are.
And, but this
Pro
is,
stock cars
but
are.
this is a pro stock. I don't know if you can see it, but see, we got the pro stock, tunnel for the drive shaft.
I see that. I see it. I see it.